What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another mukbang. It's at 3 a.m. right now. As you can see, it's pitch black. We have a light, and guess what we have here? A whole thing of spaghetti. It's like the size of my head. And we have 4 waters. We each have to finish both the waters, or else we fail the challenge.
And we die.
I got nominated by The Rock. He got nominated by John Cena. So, we're just gonna start. Okay, man.
So we'll be speedrunning this. Don't try this at home because you'll get like. All right. First bite. No, you can't take that big of a bite. That's cheating.
Oh, I'm mixing it.
It's bulk.
I'm mixing it.
But you can't.
I'm mixing it.
All right.
Is it hot?
Not at all. Jiffy, you monkey.
Why is it kind of good though?
Damn. That's great.
Looking kind of fire. I can't lie. I got school tomorrow. Can't lie.
I can motorboat this right now. Oh my god. Alright, it's time to speed run it, alright? You ready?
Here, open my water.
Oh, we gotta finish the waters, that's right.
I'm gonna get like heart disease. God damn, bro, what the hell? Oh, excuse me. What did you do that? You can finish my waters.
No, that's fine. Creatine and a lot of food. And water. Alright.
Creatine.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
You should put a timer on this.
Under 5 minutes. Are we gonna be entertaining? We gotta go bigger next time.
Burger? Maybe like we cook our dog at 3 a.m.
Okay.
Ouija board challenge.
Bro, don't say that. They're gonna come out. The barbarian. The barbarian's gonna come.
Low key?
Low key, this thing is kind of easy.
Yeah. Oh, I shouldn't have ate 2 yogurts before this.
It's not cutting season anymore.
It's bulking season.
It's bulking season. It's about 5 billion carbs.
I'm gonna throw up after this.
I'm carrying.
A little bit. You still gotta finish your water though, so you gotta take it easy. Nobody saw that.
I ain't finished with no water. Maybe. Jeez Louise.
You have to.
I'm gonna get heartburn.
This would be funny if we had a hot sauce to it.
I'm gonna die. We're at 3 minutes. Oh, 4 minutes.
We both have like 2 bites left. God damn. I wasn't expecting that.
Excuse me.
Oh, no problem.
There was only 1 water bottle. The challenge was.
Yeah, I mean, I could try to finish this.
Actually, I don't tap out.
Oh, spaghetti chop. Spaghetti challenge. Spaghetti challenge failed.
No, we're not failing it.
No.
This ain't like the ramen video.
Clickbaited though. Spaghetti challenge failed. Clickbait.
Not failed.
If you're watching
Real.
this, if you watched it through, you're a real fan. Just spit his water. No. If you're watching this, you're a real fan. You're a G. Top G. Spaghetti challenge failed. Clickbait. Not clickbait. If you're watching this.
I can't. It's cheating. Oh, so yummy.
Alright, well I tap out.
I don't.
Let's eat the dogs. Bruce, what are you doing over here?
It's bulking season.
It's bulking season.
Man, I ate like 4,000 calories today. It's bulking season. I already had 2 plates full of this. It's bulking season.
That crab did me dirty early.
I ate 1 bit.
Oh, that's 3. Shit was unpleasant. If I throw up, you gotta get on camera.
Alright, so throw up right on the table.
Right now, I'm trying to do it.
Do it. That might be bad though.
On YouTube? No, that's allowed, I think. We gotta put like, if you have a weak stomach, to put it in there. Don't fucking enter it.
Low kick on a fire. Okay.
I'm just sitting here thinking about life right now. My fucking sick.
We just won the challenge.
Get that out of the way.
We just won the challenge. Freddie, do a clickbait thing. Wait.
Thumbnail.
Alright, man. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. What are your thoughts after eating?
Well, when you eat that much pasta, mixed with crab with water, and a lot of keratin, and dog hair, because you swallowed it earlier. It's gonna come out. Stay tuned for next time. We'll have
My thoughts personally, challenge was mid. I wish The Rock didn't nominate me, but just the water got me. The pasta, pretty fire, made by Alina. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for another video where we're gonna eat our dog.
Can I have the toilet first?
Ah!